Question 1. Drag and drop the networking parameters from the left onto the correct values on the right. Select and place. Let's see the answer. Question 2. Which option is a benefit of switch stacking? Options. Answer is C. Switch stacking provides redundancy as stacking creates a ring of connection with two opposite paths. Whenever a frame is ready for transmission onto the path, a calculation is made to see which path has the most available bandwidth. The entire frame is then copied onto this half of the path. With switch stacking, STP, CDP and VTP would run on one switch, not multiple switches. Also, there would be one MAC address table, and it would reference all ports on all physical switches, so we may say switch stacking has better resource usage. Also, if we consider all stacking switches as one logical switch, then surely the port density is increased very much. Therefore, answer C is the most suitable one. Question 3. Which component of an Ethernet frame is used to notify a host that traffic is coming? Options. Correct answer is D. Preamble is a 7-byte field in the Ethernet frame which helps to receiver to know that it is an actual data, Ethernet frame, and not some random noise in the transmission medium. It acts like a doorbell telling about the incoming data. Question 4. Which two options describe benefits of aggregated chassis technology? Choose 2. Answer is A and C. It reduces management overhead and it requires only one IP address per VLAN. Question 5. You are configuring your edge router's interface with a public IP address for internet connectivity. The router needs to obtain the IP address from the service provider dynamically. Which command is needed on interface fast Ethernet 0/0 to accomplish this? Correct answer is DIP address DHCP. Question 6. How is master redundancy provided on stacked switches? Options. Answer is A. Question 7. Which two statements about the purpose of the OSI model are accurate? Choose 2. Options. Correct answer is A and B. A. It defines the network functions that occur at each layer. B. Facilitates an understanding of how information travels throughout a network. Question 8. Which identification number is valid for an extended ACL? Options. Answer is D. For extended access lists, the valid range is 100 to 199. Question 9. Which three statements about MAC addresses are correct? Choose 3. Options. Correct answer is A, D and E. A. To communicate with other devices on a network device must have a unique MAC address. D. A MAC address contains two main components, the first of which identifies the manufacturer of the hardware and the second of which uniquely identifies the hardware. E. An example of a MAC address is 0A26 B8, D6, 6590. Question 10. Which technique can you use to route IPv6 traffic over an IPv4 infrastructure? Options. Correct answer is B. 6 to 4 tunneling. Question 11. Which statement about named ACLS is true? Options. Answer is A. They support standard and extended ACLS. Question 12. Which range represents the standard access list? Options. Answer is A99. Standard IP access lists are numbered 1 to 99 or 1300 to 1999. Question 13. What are two benefits of FHRP? Choose two. Options. Correct answer is D and E. D. They enable automatic failover of the default gateway. E. They allow multiple devices to serve as a single virtual gateway for clients in the network. The first hop redundancy protocol, FHRP, is a computer network protocol built to protect the default gateway by allowing two or more routers to backup for that address in a subnetwork. This way, the backup router can take place of the active router in a few seconds in case of a router crash. Question 14. Which benefit does Cisco DNA Center provide over traditional campus management? Options. Correct answer is C. Cisco DNA Center leverages API, and traditional campus management requires manual data gathering. Question 15. A network engineer wants to allow a temporary entry for a remote user with a specific username and password so that the user can access the entire network over the internet. Which ACL can be used? Options. Answer is D. Dynamic.